What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Today is an exciting day. We are officially picking up a truck. Yes, we are up super early this morning because we have a road trip ahead of us. We are picking up a new truck, new to us at least. It's not a new truck. As a matter of fact, this thing's got quite a few like little problems that nothing hopefully isn't too big. So hopefully it's going to be a nice daily driver for the snow and for something to keep our LB7 nice in the garage and nice and warm. So first we are going to make some stops. We got to go pick up a trailer. We got to go get everything and get ready to haul this thing back. So stay tuned, guys. This truck is definitely one you have not seen on. Well, I take that back. You might have seen one on YouTube, but it's definitely not a truck that you have seen very often very much of at least. So this truck is definitely something unique that we'll be bringing to our channel. We probably won't be doing any builds or anything to it. Maybe we might show you guys how to do some rust repairs or something. I don't know. But most of the project builds and stuff is still going to be focused mainly on the Duramax. So I guess I just kind of gave it away that it's not a Duramax. So I'm not going to say any more, guys. This truck's going to be definitely unique, and you guys just have to wait and watch the video and check it out. So we'll see you guys on the road.
Flying by away from them, and no one can see me now. I'm miles above you, don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above, I'm miles above you.
Alright, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed the new truck. I am going to keep this super quick because it's raining. I'm so excited that we picked this thing up for the channel. Yes, it is a 6.5 Detroit diesel, so I know you haven't seen a lot of these on YouTube. This is going to be kind of rare. Probably not going to do a whole lot of building, but it is a diesel, so I figured we'd introduce it. So I want to just thank you guys so much for tuning in. Sorry about the wind. The weather is terrible, but it is already we've gone too long without a video. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay tuned. We actually have some new stuff for the red LB7. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for being patient. I know this video was kind of overdue. We will be doing some stuff to the red LB7, kind of like I was saying. So stay tuned. It's going to be a huge couple months for this channel. Like I said, we just picked up the new 6.5. So thanks everyone again for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next Saturday on the Diesel Nam YouTube channel. Subscribe.